back to the channel, guys, and like I promised, the garage has turned up. It's here. Unfortunately, the guys putting it together didn't want me to film them, so I couldn't make a video of it all going up piece by piece, but here it is. She's a beast. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. So happy with it. So all we've got to do now is put some lighting in here. I don't know if you can see in here, so I'll come right to the back and show you out here. So we got some lights and some sockets. So we're gonna run some electric in here, and then hopefully we can get the car out and start working. These lights I got from Screwfix. So you can see that written on there. These are 5 feet. Oh yeah, they'll fit lovely up on there. Let's have a quick look at these. I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch me putting friggin' lights up. So these are, we did say how many lumens? 6,500 lumens each. And they're double ones, so they're 5 foot. They're pretty nice. So we'll get these up on the ceiling, and then I'll just crack on with it. Bit of a change of plan. I've got all the lights and all in. Sockets are in. They run. Everything's run to there. My cousin was going to give me a hand to get the car out of the garage and push it round into here. So that's going to happen now. So we weren't quite ready for him, but I thought, well, stuff it. We just have to be. So we're going to push the car around now when he turns up. So a couple of minutes, and then we'll see you again pushing the car around.
I'm close.
Run me over! Right.
You have to lift the front end up.
Yeah.
Across.
All this is alright, it's all structural here. Should be able to pick any of this up. Move a little bit at a time.
Yeah. Oh, just go for it. Fucking we got it. Well, I can get my hand in by here. And by here.
This is alright, isn't it?
Yeah, push on that.
Just like that top end.
Running my hand in here.
Yeah, that will go in there. Keep an eye on the front, Jake.
Alright.
Slow one way down.
I got flat tires, so.
Great, that's it.
No, turn it. Just do it.
Turn it.
Turn it towards me, Dad. Come on.
Ready?
Ready?
And there we are. She's in the garage. Woohoo! You got it in you. Wow, that was a bit of fun. So yeah, like I say, we still haven't put the lights, finish the lights up or anything like that, so we still got to do that. But now he's in there, we got a lot more work we can get on with, so looking forward to them days, which are not too far away. So yeah, we'll leave it there for now, and I'm looking forward to these next videos and these well, this rest of this year, and completing what we can do, and like, because there's so much stuff we needed this body on before we could finish up little bits and bobs, and now we can. As you can tell, I'm a happy man. So there it is for tonight, and I got a couple of little things I got to do, and locks and all that stuff, so I'll carry on with that. You don't want to see any of that. So yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. So hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done already, and we'll see you again.